Hello everyone. In this video, we will do some examples for area under a parametric curve. The first one is find area under each arch of a cycloid generated by circle radius A. Remember, cycloid, you have a circle of radius A, and then you roll it and trace the lowest point at the starting time. So it will be something like this and then goes back down, then starts the same thing and repeats itself each time. And you see that the question is asking for the area under each arch here, and we have to start calculating that. We know that for cycloid we have parametric equations. X is equal to a times t minus sine t, and y is a times 1 minus cosine t. And the values of t here will be t at 0 will give us the first point, and t at 2 pi gives us the end point of that arch. So here we are dealing with values of 0 and 2 pi. Okay. Now we want to write this one as an integral. The few things you have to check. One is that y is non-negative. That's the first thing. It's continuous. Obviously it is. Also x prime. What is x prime? This is another condition. X prime is a 1 minus cosine t. This is also continuous. There's another condition that we have to check. Well, and it is related to what to put as lower limit of your integral. In other words, the area is going to be given as integral y at t times x prime at t dt. For us, it's important to figure out which one of the limits of t we have to put in the lower limit and which one in upper limit. Here, you have to evaluate x at 0. This will be a times 0 minus sine 0. That is 0. X at 2 pi is a times 2 pi minus sine of 2 pi, which is sine of 2 pi is 0. So that's a 2 pi. You see that this value here is bigger than the value of x at 0. So the value of t, which gives us a smaller value for x, it should go to the lower limit, the other one to upper limit. Now I can plug in everything there. This is a 1 minus cosine t. The derivative of x is 1 minus cosine t there, dt. And as a result, we have a squared 0 to 2 pi. 1 minus cosine t times 1 minus cosine t. It's 1 minus cosine t squared expanded. 1 squared minus 2 times first one times second one plus the second squared. And now we take this. But the other two terms are obvious, but this one we have to use half angle, which is 1 plus cosine 2t. Okay, so that means that I can find antiderivatives. T minus 2 sine t plus half of t plus 1/4 of sine of 2t, and go from 0 to 2 pi. Plug in 2 pi there, so it will be 2 pi minus 2 sine of 2 pi plus half of 2 pi plus 1/4 of sine of 4 pi. minus. When you plug in 0, everything will be 0, so I won't write that part. Even in these terms, this guy and that guy are 0, and what we found is a squared 2 pi plus pi, and that is 3a squared pi. So it's going to be 3 times the area of the circle generated that cycloid.